Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Xbox Error Code E1000000703809100002. The error reads, there may have been a problem installing the update. Before we proceed, I want to let you know that this is my AI avatar and some of the visuals in the video are also generated using AI. However, all the information shared has been manually researched by me. As per our research, the error comes when users try to update their Xbox console. According to our research, this error happens because of an issue during the installation of the update. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to restart your console. Simply power it off and wait for a few moments, then turn it back on and check if the error still comes. If the error continues, then download the offline system update file OSU1. To do this, visit the Xbox support website from a computer and download the OSU1 file, then copy it to a USB drive and then use it to update your console offline. If the error still doesn't resolve, then try updating your system again. Make sure your console is connected to a stable internet connection and attempt the update once more. At last, if nothing helps, then chances are your console needs to be repaired. In this case, reach out to Xbox support and report the issue so they can help you further. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.